Next, we are going to add Apache Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE to be able to deploy, run, and test our web application within Eclipse IDE. Here's a step: add Tomcat server, and then we test starting and stopping the server. Okay, go back to Eclipse IDE. Move this up a little bit, and you see, click on the server view here. You see no server are available, so click on this link to create a new server. And in this new server dialog, expand the Apache and choose the latest version of Tomcat, which is Tomcat 9.0. Click next, and here you need to specify the Tomcat installation directory. Click browse button